Our homes reflect who we are. They are a part of us. So if that's the case, why wouldn't it be reflected in the architecture? In architectural design, the idea is to create something that is timeless. And the products that James Hardie provides, it's a designer's toolbox that allows me to experiment with not only different colors, but different products as well. You have to have a sensitivity to colors, to the materials, and really use them to your benefit to create something that stands out. And using James Hardie products with our designs set them apart. The first question I typically get from homeowners is, how often am I going to have to paint this? The warranty for Hardie products, colors, 15 years. 15 years is a long time. My clients, they love the idea that it's low maintenance and it's durable and it will look fantastic for years. To have something that you can work with in so many different aspects not only helps me achieve that aesthetic quality, it also helps me achieve that timeless look. When I introduce people to Hardie, and it's that's what I always wanted moment. That's what I'm most proud of.